And just as this one, Melawy Linux Developer Edition, which was a no-show, didn't work, could not log in. 123 being the password, but then I remembered I have another one, an older one, and maybe I should take the edition full, in this case, and see what happens. Problem was I couldn't log in, simple as that, couldn't log in. So let's wait. %, come on. Allez, 1, 2, 3, enter. This one works. We are allowed in, but I forgot Wayland, right? This thing that is, oops, we're using Wayland on VirtualBox. Will it let me log out again so I can switch to KD? Okay, to X11. I think I better before it crashes. Log out. One, two, three. So let's look around. First of all, don't I need to install anything? So my Calamares, where are you? Install system. I guess 1, 2, 3. Voila. So with Calamares you can do a lot of things. There's not enough space. Ooh, at least 150 gigabyte is required, it says. No, that's a bit much. So let's go change the content of Calamares. etc Calamares. It's not here, so user share Calamares. Calamares. Branding and QML. Where is the rest then? The rest should be done in user library Calamares. Went over it. There he is. Here are the modules. There is a what was it? 150 gigabyte? I think so. 150 gigabyte. Do I have the tools to figure it out? Do I have the tools to figure it out? Probably not. Where can we find it in the welcome? There's a description. I need the configuration files. Where are the configuration files? They're somewhere else. Okay, where are they? etc. Ah, I overlooked them. etc Calamares modules. Is it in welcome? 3 welcomes. Required 150 gigabyte. 15 will be better. Can we save it? And yeah, password 1 2 3. That's one. Welcome offline. Save 1 2 3. Save 1 2 3. Voila, that's that. Visual Studio Code is here. Telegram, Discord. Nice stuff, really nice stuff. All I see I like. OBS Studio is even there. So the installer, so Calamares, that one. Should not complain now. Password 1 2 3. Netherlands, no, not Netherlands. Netherlands is nice, but American English is better. Next, Brussels, Belgium, and then a lot of things to tick or not tick, I guess. Right? Desktop integration. If I do this, all of them are on. Wow. And so there are some things in here that's not needed, not here anyway. Nor is AMD drivers needed. So you have to read what you need to do there. I just want to keep. Oh, that was a nice design. I saw somewhere, right? I read somewhere. So yes, let's have a look. And then partitions. Nope. Next here. Erase disk for sure, and then choices. There is ZFS. So that's the choice we don't have. So let's try that one with no swap. And then next. Password is shorter than 6. Yes. Thank God. Next. We get this as text. We have root. No, boot. EFI. Boot of 10 gigabyte. And 16.53 still left for that one. Hope it's enough. Let's see. Since it's open anyway, we can have a look at ZFS config. Oh, yeah. Oh, we got an error. Nope. So that's the pool name. I'm a noob at this. All I can read is, all I can do is read, right? It's not that, it's new for me, ZFS, but it didn't work. So let's take another one. Or you know what? Let's just take a look around at the applications. Maybe there's an application you'd like to try out. If it installs or not is not that important right now. Any disk is a good one. I can recommend it, like TeamViewer. Image launcher, Arc, Audacious, Audacity, yeah, all known applications. Core control, what's that? 1 2 3. Manage profiles for your applications. I should look at the wiki, what it is. I'm thinking maybe we should install it, but then something simple. Calamares, that one. No ZFS, no Dutch either. I can't go forth. Let's clean up. Partition manager is there, GD carted is there as well. 1, 2, 3. And he's having trouble, right? Delete this, delete that, delete this, delete that, delete that, delete this, and we'll apply everything. Apply pending. Let's see. Seems to be applied. Now we restart Calamares. Yes, please. Calamares. A is here, Eric. Calamares. 1, 2, 3. We're still on the live DVD, right? Otherwise it would have been Eric. American English. Next. Brussels, sure. Belgian, sure. Next. Staying away from this one. Don't know what it all is. Okay. Refind that one. Butterfs. If anything, then this one with no swap, please. Next. What's this gray thing? Oh yeah, this is that and that is that. Okay, next. It's the first bit here, right? He needs to create things and then off it. Partitioning, that's the trouble thing always needs to get over. And no, I guess we can't install this particular operating system. So let's look around. Graphics, LibreOffice, ArcoLinux, GwenView, choices, right? Internet. Yep. Mailspring, maybe something for you. All quite recognizable things. OBS Studio, Eliza. Office. We do have Office, LibreOffice. A lot to choose. Even there we have 5 or 6 possibilities. No idea what classy settings is. Pamic is there. Oh no, good lord, right? Software is there. Never seen this anywhere else. Utilities. Cleopatra, Certificate Manager and Unified Crypto GUI. Okay. Backseek. The Lost and Found, HPUI scan. And that's it. Voila. We had a look and we'll visit it in the future again. Everything might be better if we do an update, but I'm not going to do that. On a live DVD, we do have 10 GB of cow space, it's called. 5.3. So that's a bit, right? That's a bit. All right. Bye for now. We'll visit again in a few months. Cheers.